I will write bucket name key URL and object URL. So what is my bucket name? Bucket name is okay. My bucket October 2021 Mumbai. This is my bucket name. What is the key? So if you go to the object, you will see the key here. Copy this and paste it here. Now, how the S3 URL are created? What is the nomenclature of S3 URL? So I will just write S3 colon slash slash bucket name bucket underscore name slash the key. This is how the S3 URL is written, or this is the nomenclature of S3 URL. And what is the nomenclature of object URL? HTTPS slash slash bucket underscore name dot S3 dot in which region you have created this bucket. So region name dot slash your key name. This is how the your object URL will look like. So let's go and create the S3 URL. This is the format. I will copy it here. So generally what is key? Key is the name of your file, name of your object. Key is basically name of your object. What is the bucket name here right now? My bucket of October 2021. So I will put this thing, replacing this, I will put it here. What is key? What is the value of key? This is the value of key. So this is my S3 URL. I have created my S3 URL. So if you go in the console and you can check, I will copy it from here and I'm pasting just next to this. So you can compare. So it's same. Let's go and create the HTTP URL. So this is my bucket name. What is my region name? Region name is Mumbai, but the code of Mumbai is AP South 1. Okay, so I will paste AP South 1 amazon.com slash key. So what is my key? This is my key. So the object URL is created. So if you copy from the object URL and verify, so it's same. Now let's go to some on another object in S3. So this is my other object. So what is my bucket name? Bucket name is this. I will paste it here. What is my key? Key is the name, generally the name of my object. So I will copy this, or you can see here, you can copy from here also. So how we have to understand key? Couple of more example I'm going to give you. So what is my bucket name? Bucket name is Mumbai. Okay, my bucket Mumbai. Then this is my key. What is the object URL? http bucket name dot s3 dot region dot amazon aws.com slash key. So copy this thing and paste it here. What is my region? AP South 1. So where my bucket is created? AP South 1. And what is my key? Key is this. So my S3 URL and object URL is created. I'm going to my bucket again. Here I'm creating a folder. Even you can create folders here in my S3 bucket. So I'm creating a folder and giving the folder as name as folder underscore 1. Create the folder. So you can see here folder and the icon is, you can see the difference between icon of object and icon of your folder. I'm creating one more folder here. Folder 2. Inside folder 2, I'm creating one more folder. Folder _3. I am right now in my bucket. If I click here in my folder 1, so you can see here, it will give you the path where I am right now. Okay. So in the top, you can see what is my path right now. I can upload a document here. So I have uploaded one document in folder number 1. Let's go to folder number 2 and upload one document here. So inside folder number 2, there is one folder named as folder number 3, and there is one file. There are two things. Let's go in folder number 3 and upload two files here. So I have uploaded a couple of files in folder number 3. So if you want to check where right now you are working in, so you can see the path. My bucket name inside the folder number 2, inside folder number 3. You are working in folder number 3 right now. So here Amazon give you the path where you are working in S3 bucket. And you can directly jump to any of the previous folders. You can jump to your bucket, you can jump to your folder. So I'm going to jump in folder number 1 right now. And if I click on the object here, what is the file name? Post to Jira. But if you observe the key, I'm just zooming out. Okay, if you observe the key, what is key? It's not file name. It's actually the folder plus file name. Folder plus file name means if you compare with the full path, excluding the bucket name, your key is full path of your file. Excluding the bucket name, your key is a path plus file name. What is the key? Folder plus file name. In which path this object is uploaded and the file name is the key. Folder plus file name. What is my bucket name here right now? S3. This is my bucket name. So what will be the S3 URL? Bucket name, the full path. So in a way you can say the bucket name plus folder name plus file name is my S3 URL. Similarly, if object URL, here I'm replacing the bucket name, I'm replacing the region AP South 1, and what is the key? Full path folder 1 plus the actual file name. I will show you in the console as well, so you can see it's the same thing. S3 bucket name, folder name, and the file name. If you see the object URL, the bucket name s3.s3.apsouth1.amazon.com, folder name plus file name. Let's go to another folder which we created. Folder number 2. Inside folder number 2, we have folder number 3. If I click on any of the object, now you can see what is the full path of this object. Folder number 2 plus folder number 3 plus file name. So what is the key? Key is the full path with your file name. So if you copy this thing and put it here, then you can create the S3 URL and you can create the object URL. Hope if I give you the S3 URL, then you can figure out what is my bucket name and what is my key. So this is my bucket and this is the key. If I provide you S3 URL, so always remember in S3 URL first part is bucket and after that is the key. After that, it's a key without slash. Key consists of for all the folders plus actual file name.